Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Hi, I'm Lexi. If you're new to my channel before, hit the subscribe button below so you can get notified for every video I do post. But yeah guys, don't mind my background. I'm in my little craft area in the basement. But we're gonna be doing a little DIY. You know, I am like known for my DIYs on here. But I've been switching up, but I had to do this. I'm doing like a little varsity jacket for my birthday. So I kind of got inspired. I saw like a thing on Instagram. I'll put like a video up here, but I'm gonna like add my own little twist to it. But yeah, I'm super excited. I got this off of Amazon. I think it was like $38. Everything will be linked in the description box below. My Amazon storefront will be, all the material I use will be there. So if you want to make one, join me. Go order that stuff. And yeah, you guys, all we're gonna need is this, some vinyl. I did get some of these, you guys, like a little iron patch. I don't know if I'm actually gonna use them, but I bought some on Amazon. Again, everything will be linked below. But and then I'm gonna use, yeah, vinyl for that. So I'll show you how I make my design, and then we're gonna cut it and on there. I'm excited though, because it's too like rainy and wet out, so I figured this would be cute. Just make my own little like custom birthday jacket. Okay, you guys, so we're gonna use Fonto for like the fonts because I like to download them and stuff. I have a video showing how to do that on my channel if you'd like to know how to. But yeah, but I just did all my stuff on here just because I like the fonts on there. And then what I do is I go ahead and I add it, I upload it onto my Cricut design space. And right here I am removing the background. So I literally just going in between the lines of what I want cut out. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do that here. Okay, and so what I do here is instead of like putting each individual word in, I just take a square, like I add a shape, and I go ahead and slice each image like individually, if that makes sense. Kind of like cropping it, but you can't crop in design space, you can only slice. So that's what I'm doing here, so everything's individual. Alright you guys, so this is everything that I'm putting on here. I did show a little bit of how I made other, like some of this stuff, like the Taurus, the 1999, the A, I believe. But I am going to, let's see here. Since I am putting the A on front, I'm going to take away Lexi. I was going to do Lexi on the back because like that's like my nickname, but you know, it would look weird, I feel like, with the A on the front and the Alexis on the back. But everything that is in silver is going to be in holographic. This color right here, she's beautiful. Like, look at her. Like, okay, period. And my shoes are gonna match it. So I put this little diamond. It's gonna be on the sleeves of like the bottom here, but that is because my rhinestone is a diamond. And then I do have a Taurus. Oh, that needs to be silver, but that's gonna be silver. It's like my symbol because I'm a Taurus. On my sleeve in the middle, I'm gonna make these black just so they tie in with like the main part of the jacket. Those are gonna be black, and this will be on the back. But Okay, you guys, let's go ahead and cut this. Alright, you guys, so I'm using Cricut for this. So this is all the stuff I'm going to cut and put on it. So let's go ahead and cut it. Alright, don't forget to have the shiny side. Like this side down. Shiny side down. I only use a little piece of that roll, so if you're making a few of them, yeah, one roll should be enough for like 3 the most. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and cut this again. Mirror is on if you're using a Cricut. If you're not using Cricut, I'm very sorry, but that's what we're using here, and we're gonna go ahead and cut it. Okay, I think that's big enough. Oh my god, it's so freaking cute, you guys. Because like my outfit's like all black and white and glitter. So I think I'm gonna put it like right here, maybe a little lower, so it's kind of like on the boob area. I'm gonna lift it up, make sure everything's even. We're gonna press this. Okay, period. Like so cute, you guys. Like especially in the light. Oh my gosh, I love it. All right, we're gonna do the rest of this, cause okay, you guys. So I put Taurus on this arm with the the symbol, like the Taurus symbol. Again, you could do any like Pisces, Sagittarius, any of that. And then I'm just gonna add like 2 little hearts right here, and then we're gonna do the other side. The other side just gonna have my year, my rhinestone, and another 2 little hearts. Because the hearts that I printed out, I could have remade them with like esthetician and lash artist, just made them a little bit bigger. But I don't know, I feel like it like kind of would look awkward. But I mean, you can still make it that way. But yeah, I'm just doing like 2 hearts instead. I do have this at 325, and I only do like 5 to 10 seconds on each press. So. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and press this side. Again, I gotta add hearts up here, but I just don't have enough room. But yeah, it's turning out so cute, you guys. I love it. Okay, we're gonna do the back of the shirt now. And we can cover it up. Press this, and then we're done. But I might add a few of those like iron-on patches that I ordered, like on the front or something. I don't know, but it turned out so cute, you guys. Okay, so I don't know how I feel about them. I think I'm just gonna add them just so it gives it more of that look. I'm kind of just spread them out like that, just so it has more to it. I don't know, maybe I should put some down here. I don't know, I'm gonna play with it, see what I think, and then we're gonna press them. Okay, this is how it turned out once I got done pressing it. I love it. It looks so good. Like, look at all these little stickers. They actually stuck very well. I never used those before, but yep, this is how it turned out. Alright, you guys, so I can wait, but this is so cute. So I did add on patches. Hopefully, they don't look like too random, but I'm a little bougie, little $sign. Put it is what it is down here, just because this had nothing on it. And then let's just pull it up. Oh, the buttons are still hot. But again, I wanted that tight look, and I just got this baggy sweatshirt underneath it. But yes. And it says 19.99. Okay, period. It looks so good, you guys. It's got my little symbol, Taurus. And it's got my name. Okay. Stop playing with me. Okay, this is gonna be so cute. And then like these are my nails, and then my shoes, I'm making some custom ones, and these are the shoestrings. I don't know if you can see them, but they're glittery, so I bet she's gonna look cute. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a fat thumbs up, and thanks for watching.